Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make crab gravy. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice. Crabs are packed with protein and helps to prevent a variety of chronic conditions. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn, 10 shallots, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Grind this coarsely. Keep this ready. Now heat a mud pot. Into this add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Fenugreek, 2 garlic pods chopped, 150 grams of shallots chopped, 2 green chillies and few curry leaves. Give it a good mix until the shallots are transparent. Now to this add 1 tomato chopped and mix it well. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. Now add the ground masala paste and mix it well. Saute until the oil separates. Then to this add a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. Then add half cup of tamarind juice and half cup of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add 1 kg crab. Mix it well. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 15 minutes in medium flame. It's been 15 minutes, so let's now open and check. The crabs are well done and ready, so sprinkle some curry leaves and off the flame. Now a delicious crab gravy is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this crab gravy recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.